Today we're delving into the art of navigating rejection, drawing inspiration from the Stoic teachings of Marcus Aurelius. Imagine a world where every no doesn't hinder but propels you forward. Rejection, often accompanied by a sting, can indeed become a stepping stone to greatness. It's not about circumventing fate, but rather understanding that sometimes a no from the universe is a veiled yes to something greater. Feeling overlooked or undervalued? It's time to flip the script. In this video, we'll dissect 13 potent lessons to help you harness the power of rejection. These aren't mere theoretical musings, they're actionable strategies for real-world application. But before we dive in, let's ensure this wisdom reaches as many as possible. Hit that like button and ring the notification bell. It signals to YouTube that you're finding value in what we're sharing. Now let's embark on this transformative journey together. Ready to turn rejections into victories? Let's begin. Ignore them too. When faced with indifference, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't about pettiness. It's a declaration of your self-worth. Don't react emotionally. Instead of letting rejection provoke emotional turmoil, embrace calmness. Stoicism teaches us to respond thoughtfully rather than impulsively. Remove them from your mind. Rejection shouldn't consume your thoughts. Acknowledge it, but use it as fuel for growth rather than dwelling on it. Demonstrate your value. Rejection is an opportunity to showcase your resilience. Instead of wallowing, channel your energy into constructive actions that highlight your worth. Cut off contact. Silence can be a potent tool in navigating rejection. Embrace it as a boundary for your mental peace. Prove them wrong. Use rejection as motivation to surpass your own limits. Quietly build your competence and let your actions speak louder than words. Go out and have fun. Embrace joy as a means of resilience building. Engage in activities that uplift your spirits and strengthen your connections with others. Build your social status. Focus on self-enhancement and community involvement, rather than seeking external validation. Act as if they don't exist. Redirect your attention away from those who ignore you and towards meaningful interactions with others who appreciate your presence. Give them the silent treatment. Choose silence as a tool for self-reflection and emotional mastery, rather than a means of manipulation. Don't beg for attention. Anchor yourself in self-worth rather than seeking validation from others. Be kind, but emotionally distant. Respond with kindness while maintaining emotional boundaries to protect your inner peace. Don't reveal your struggle. Show strength in the face of rejection by maintaining composure and dignity. By embracing these principles, you can transform rejection from a source of pain into a catalyst for personal growth and resilience. Remember, each no you encounter is not an end but a beginning, a step towards greater strength and self-discovery.